Hi, my name is Dan Ewa. I'm the founder of danewa.net, a digital marketing community where business owners, solopreneurs, and network marketers learn how to drive traffic and increase sales. I want to talk about 7 proven content promotion strategies to get more traffic. In their 2018 research study, the Content Marketing Institute found that 37% of brands plan to increase their content marketing spend. As more businesses continue to invest in content marketing, content curation has actually seen a rapid increase. The typical length of a blog post for seeing strong results on Google search is now over 1,000 words. Nevertheless, the majority of content still sits in the deep corners of the internet and go unranked by the search engines. Ahrefs discovered that 91% of content does not get any search traffic from Google. You don't need to get discouraged though. Rather, you need to develop a fail-proof content promotion strategy that makes sure your blog post gets adequate exposure for each piece you publish. Today, let's look at how to create a content promotion strategy from scratch. There are 3 prominent kinds of content promotion channels to get direct exposure from after you create your content. They are 1. Owned media, 2. Earned media, and 3. Paid media. What is owned media? These are the platforms that you own. They offer the preliminary exposure to your material. While earned media, once you put out your content on owned channels, individuals engage with it on social networks and other platforms. It results in more natural direct exposure for your content. For paid media, in the existing social media landscape, your updates get seen by a small portion of your followers. To get additional exposure, you need to pay for ads. Now, let's take a look at some content promotion methods across all 3 kinds of channels. Number 1, email newsletter. Once a reader has actually shown interest in your brand, you can share your newest content with them through email due to the fact that you have complete control over it. A list is an important asset for content promotion. Unlike social media platforms, you are not required to measure up to any algorithmic modifications to reach your audience. Your email list can generate direct traffic to your blog post. It can also get social media shares and activate a snowball effect. So begin collecting emails from your website visitors by offering them a valuable lead magnet. Number 2, social media scheduling. After emailing your post to your subscribers, you can likewise share it with your existing audiences on social networks. Buffer and Agora Pulse is a robust social network management suite to schedule your posts across several social media platforms. You can even find your ideal posting times utilizing the app's analytics. Most of your content on social media reaches a limited number of your followers. Thus, sharing your content once isn't enough. To draw out the full juice, you need to recycle your updates. Something as simple as retweeting your top tweet can assist you to generate 90% additional link clicks. Number 3, perform the content on content strategy. The king of social networks, as is fondly called, Gary Vaynerchuk, squeezes lots of value from every piece of content he creates. How, you may ask? He begins by publishing a long piece of useful content on YouTube. Then he develops several pieces of micro content from every episode and lets his 16-person team use it to fill his social media feeds with them. You can replicate this technique by repurposing your material into slides at SlideShare or republish your articles with minimal edits at Medium, Quora, and LinkedIn. To transform your posts rapidly into videos, you can utilize a tool like Lumen 5. A more tailored approach is being available in front of the camera, just like this video you're watching right now. Another option is repurposing your content into Kindle ebooks to snag a few email subscribers. Number 4, click to tweet and one-press social locker. You might have to set up a social sharing plugin to allow your social media sharing of your content. There are a number of other opportunities to earn media through social networks. The first involves setting up click-to-tweet boxes that allow your visitors easily tweet your content. The second method to earn media includes getting parts of your content. You can do the exact same thing by asking your readers to share your content on social media to gain access to bonus offer materials. Number 5, personalized email outreach. While writing your posts, it's a good idea to involve thought leaders in your field. You can email them and request their quotes, individual insight, and knowledge to add credibility to your content. These influencers will also gladly share it and possibly link to it from their blog site if you create a premium post. Depending on your industry, the influencer and the quality of your piece, the influencer might oblige to share your post to his audience. Before making any demand from the influencer, always focus on adding value to their audience. It can be as easy as sharing their post on social media and dropping insightful comments about their content. Number 6, promote your content on Facebook. Now, let's enter the paid area. It can be a bit unsettling for content creators to spend money on ads before they can get exposure for their content. I understand that. However, with the explosion in content creation, relatively inexpensive social media ads are a great way to get social reach for your post. On Facebook, you can start by merely targeting custom audiences. However, to draw out the most value, you need to split test your ads. It can make the difference between a cost per click of 17 cents versus 57 cents. Number 7, hire a consultant. You should consider hiring a professional if you're short of time and want to reach your target audience quickly. You can either hire a consultant that will work along with your content marketing team, or you can employ a marketing firm that specializes in your market. Owned and earned media are both great ways to kickstart your content promotion. They can put your brand in front of thousands of potential customers. However, if you're just starting out, then you might not be able to achieve your business goals fast without paid media. Simple. You need to experiment with all the free channels to find out the best fit for your brand though. In any case, if you see a piece of content that resonates well, then scale its promotion through paid channels. Remember, I teach business owners, solopreneurs and network marketers how to drive traffic and increase sales. Check me out, giveaway.danewa.com.